Hey mamas, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a refrigerator clean out. Today is garbage day and I try as hard as I can to clean out the refrigerator on garbage day. I'm definitely not as successful as I like to be because my husband is in the corner right now laughing at me. That means that I usually don't get around to it maybe twice a month, but it is definitely in need of it today. So let's go. I'm going to show you what the inside of my refrigerator looks like and then we're going to get to cleaning.
A little bit high on the feeling, can't seem to focus. In the corner of my best friend's sofa, you were getting by some rum and cola. Wasn't brave enough yet just to talk to you. Not a smooth talker under pressure. Sweaty palms ain't making it much better. Something about you feels so special. Pretty over from the minute that I met you. Trying to get your attention, you make me nervous. In the corner of my best friend's sofa, you were getting by some rum and cola. Wasn't brave enough yet just to talk to you. Not a smooth talker under pressure. Sweaty palms ain't making it much better. Something about you feels so special. Pretty over from the minute that I met you. I know that we just met the other night, but I can't get you off my mind. Not a smooth talker under pressure. Sweaty palms ain't making it much better. Something about you feels so special. Pretty over from the minute that I met you.
Once that is all cleaned out, I will separate all the items. This is all of the beverages and drinks, and this is my bin full of vegetables that are still good, meat bin, leftovers that I'm either going to put away or freeze. There's a cheese container, eggs, and all of the other stuff is over here. Then I'm just going to go ahead and put it all back in the fridge.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me, I swear. You would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Ooh, baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I
All of the blue storage containers you see are from Dollar Tree. That one there houses cheese, and then that's all of our beverages. This next shelf has our eggs in that little cute container. This is leftovers. And then the other blue bins in the bottom here are vegetables, and then the one in the far back is meat, which I'll show you in a minute. But I also keep the bigger beverage items down there. And that pitcher has homemade lemonade, and it's delicious. It doesn't have any sugar. It's really good. That container back there is sealed up, and it has the meat. And then more vegetables down here in the bottom. It may seem a little excessive, but I'm a vegetarian, so I have to keep a lot of vegetables on hand. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for staying tuned to the end. Here's a little clip of my husband and I. Subscribe.
Hey mamas, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a... I can't. Let me show you, Paul. Paul, what are you doing?
Listening to this madness.
Okay.